good day everyone. I've already taught you how to reach here. So can you see messages ads? Click it. Now the first thing they want you to do is provide an image that you want to use to run the ad. So you can use image or you can use video, but most times they just say image. So you can provide the image from your page, or you can provide it from camera roll, or from ad images for those who have run ads before, or from Instagram if your Instagram is connected. Now, by the way, your Instagram doesn't need to be connected. Once you run the ad, automatically it will display on Facebook, Instagram, and audience network like I explained. So can you see the next thing? If you want to go to the next one, can you see it? Let me draw an arrow there. So can you see it? So you just click it. Bam, you click it. So can you see? So it says automatically this is the image. So I didn't select any image, so it's using this particular image. So make sure you select an image. So now, message destination, you need to be precise. If you want to receive the messages on Instagram, choose Instagram. If you want to receive the messages on WhatsApp, say WhatsApp. If you want to receive it on Messenger, say Messenger. So now let me explain something to you. If you choose the three of them, in fact, it will be very, very confusing. But it might work for you. Try to explore. But what I would suggest that you do is choose WhatsApp Business. So if you are using the ordinary WhatsApp, which is like just WhatsApp, I would suggest that you download WhatsApp Business. So you select WhatsApp Business. So click connect. Let me even put something there for you so that you see it. So can you see it? Can you see it? Connect WhatsApp Business account. So click it. Bam. So you type your WhatsApp business number here. Then you click send code. So you click send code. So they will send the code to your WhatsApp business. Then you type in the code and to get connected. Very, very easy. So your Instagram account has to be connected for you to use Instagram. So if it is not connected, make sure you connect it. But if you are using WhatsApp, don't worry, you don't have to connect it. So scroll down. Now this is called headline. So you need to add your headline. Now your headline is that catchy, bold text that is always under the ad. So can you see it? So for you to see this, just scroll down to the bottom. Can you see chat with us? That's the headline. So can you see chat with us? So primary text is often the one that comes after the name of the page. So let me type something in the primary text. Let me type something. So your primary text has to be catchy. It has to be something that will explain why you're running the ad. Once in a lifetime opportunity. Bam. So let's scroll down so I'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's still loading. Just give it a minute to load. Boom. Can you see it? After your page name, that's where the primary text will appear. So now you understand what primary text is. So this is primary text, once in a lifetime opportunity. Can you see headline, chat with us? That's headline. So you can change it. Now this is call to action. I often use learn more. So you can use learn more. Shop now. You can use shop now, but I often use learn more. So can you see it? Learn more. So there's contact us. Yes, there's contact us. There's shop now. You can use all those ones. They are also good. But I use learn more. Some people want to know why. I use learn more because it's just like telling people that okay, I can still tell you more about what I'm selling. So to learn more, it attracts more people. So that shop now, just Nigerians, they just have this mentality, as in we just have this mentality that this shop now, like I don't really have the money yet to all those type of things. So when you say learn more, That means I don't want you to buy it now. You can buy it later, but it's just like I just want to tell you more about the product. So after that, can you see the next thing on the list? This, which is talking about audience. So click it. Pam. So now you can create new audience. So can you see it? You can create new audience, or you can just edit this one. So click edit audience. Now this one is a different ball game. So now can you see include these locations? Click on it. Then you can search for the specific place that you want to sell your product. Now if you want to sell your product in Nigeria, maybe you want to target the whole of Nigeria, you can do that. If you want to sell it in specific places in Lagos, you can target specific places in Lagos or Abuja. So you just search for it. For example, Ikeja. Can you see Ikeja, Nigeria? Let's say Lagos. Okay, Ikeja, Nigeria. Ikeja is there's only one Ikeja. So can you see city? You just click it. So edit only Ikeja. So let me remove this one. So you want to delete. So let's say United States. You don't want to target United States. So we tick United States and click delete. So can you see showing only Ikeja? So search locations, you can search again and say maybe you want to target Ogba. So for those who don't know this place, just say specific places in your side. Then you select. So can you see? You selected Ogba and Ikeja. So you can just click this. Can you see that check icon to say you are done with that? So this is age. You can play with the age. I often like to sell to 20 and above, but you can say you don't want to sell to older people and say 40 or whatever, but I like to sell to 20 and above because they might want to buy those products for their kids. If it's a course, if it's a product, maybe a wig or makeup kit or anything like that, you might want to buy for their kids. Then you can target specific genders. Can you see? That's awesome. So let's just keep it simple. So after that, you do what? You click the check icon. Click it. So you say update, save as new, or you want to, so you can save it as new so that you can use it another time you want to use it. So you want to save it, you can save it. So sorry, I forgot to mention something. So this is detailed targeting. So I forgot to include detailed targeting. Sorry about that. So with detailed targeting, you can target people based on their demographics, interest, or behavior. Yes, you can target people based on their demographics, interest, or behavior, and it's very, very easy. So all you need to do is know the specific types of people that you want to target, the specific types of people that will be interested in buying those products. So I usually use 3 major things: the specific types of people, similar things to what you want to sell, and purpose. Yes, purpose. So I use people, similarities, and purpose. So let's go to, so click include people that match. Include people who match rather. So can you see? You come here and search. So this specific place here, this is where you search. So let's say I want to sell a frying pan. So I can target similarities, things that are similar to a frying pan, like a fridge. So I can type fridge. Sorry. Okay, fridge is not there. So I can just search for things that are similar, like cooker. Okay, can you see cooker, rice cooker? Can you see? So can you see? I can add cooker. This one is a job title. Rice cooker, home appliance. I can also add home appliance generally. Let's search for home appliance. So can you see home appliance? It's there. We'll add it. So you just keep on adding things like this. Similarities. So remember, just jot it down. Similarities, people, and what? Purpose. So people as in cook. So when we saw cooker, that was a job title. So we can add because it was people. So we can add moms and all those stuff. Stay at home moms and just people that you believe that could be interested in that frying pan that we want to sell. Then you can add purpose. So we want to sell it for what? Frying. So okay, frying pan is even there. That's nice. We want to sell it for frying, and we want to sell it because the people that will buy it will use it for what? For frying chicken and all those stuff. So we can target what? Purpose, the things that they will use it for. So can you see fried chicken? Nice. So you can just target some of all these things. So that's all. Look at the ones that we've added. And the good thing about it is that Facebook will then suggest a lot of things to us. So can you see kitchenware? We can add it. We can add kitchenware. We can add cookware. Can you see? We can add kitchen utensils and a lot of things like that. Pressure cooking, we can add it. So can you see that it's very, very easy? Home improvements. A lot of people that want to improve their home, they want to buy new things. So they can buy what? Fry pan. So we can just keep adding oven. Can you see oven? So that one is enough for now. So we are going to click on this word tick to say we are done. So then we'll tick it. So we can just update existing audience or save a new one if we want to use it for next time. So let's just update existing. So can you see? So now we are going to go to the next thing, which is what? Money. So yeah, you are going to what? Set. Do you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget? So now let me make a suggestion respectfully. I will say do not use lifetime budget, because if your ad is running very well, once it stops, then you have to create another one, and there's no guarantee that that new ad will run as good as the first one. So just use daily budget so you can stop it and continue it anytime. And if I'm to make another suggestion respectfully, I would say that it is better to spend a lot of money within a short period of time compared to spending small money within a long period of time. So Facebook will prioritize those who spend a lot of imagine, let me now give you an example. Imagine you have two uncles. One normally give you 10,000 naira anytime he comes, and another one just normally give you 100 naira. If both of them should stand and say come, which one will you go and meet? Don't lie, just be honest. Which one will you go and meet? So it's you like to go and meet the one that gives 10,000 naira. So that's how it works with Facebook too. That's how it works with Facebook. So when two of you are competing, it's like it's not even a competition at all. Like Facebook will just automatically like give the one that spends more in a day higher priority. So what I usually spend every day for ad is 10,000 naira. But if you, for a start, you can start with 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, but not 500. Not 500. The least I usually tell my students is 2,500, but some people use 1,000 and it still does fine. So you can just come here, delete, type your 1,000 naira. So can you see? So can you see run ads continuously? Click delivery. So this delivery is bidding. So I would suggest that you leave it at highest volume. But if you are spending 10,000 naira a day, click bid cap and bid about at least 3,000 naira. So the way this bid cap works is that I'm just trying to tell Facebook that Facebook, I really mean this, and I can pay as much as 3,000 naira per customer. So it's not as if that's the amount that you will pay, but it's just that Facebook will just automatically they will just prioritize your ad. But don't worry, if you are if you are running 2,000 naira ad, don't do that one. Don't use bid, just use highest volume. So the only time you can use bid is if you are doing 5,000 naira daily budget and above. So let's just go back. That's nice. So when you are done, click this good. And in the previous video I explained how to fund your account, so make sure you fund your account so you'll be able to run the ad. So thank you, I hope you learned a lot. This is King Ezekiel.